Samsung is finally cooking their next big evolution for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Not just the S25 Ultra, but there's also another Ultra device coming that we'll be talking about later in this video. So one of Samsung's big goals, other than making the S25 Ultra the most powerful phone on the planet, is to also include the most complete Samsung camera system ever made. We now have our second confirmation regarding the camera specs for the S25 Ultra. After a long wait, it seems like Samsung is finally getting rid of that 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens and replace it with a 4 times higher resolution 50 megapixel ultra wide angle sensor exclusively for the S25 Ultra. Sadly, this will not come to the standard S25 or the S25 Plus. According to the source on Twitter, this could be a brand new version of Samsung's ISOCELL JN1 camera sensor lineup. Not just this, as we discussed before, Samsung is also finally upgrading the 3x optical zoom lens to the 50 megapixel resolution, and that sensor could be implemented on the entire Galaxy S25 series. So yes, it's not just the S25 Ultra, we could see some camera upgrades for the standard models as well. Now we also have a major report coming from Ming-Chi Kuo, who's known for his very reliable Apple leaks. He has said Qualcomm is likely going to be the sole provider of processors for the entire Galaxy S25 series because Samsung is currently having production of the 3nm process node for the Exynos 2500. This is a great news because no one really wants Exynos on their phone, so Snapdragon Agent 4 for all the S25 series is a massive good news. In case you don't know, Snapdragon Agent 4 will get announced way before the S25 series as expected in the month of October this year. Now while we're talking about the S25 series, we have to talk about the second generation of Galaxy AI. According to the latest news, Samsung is making some massive large-scale investments in GPU in order to facilitate the power that is required for the future AI infrastructure. Samsung is looking to implement big AI features on core level with the S25 series and the Galaxy AI second generation. Kind of like what Apple did with their Siri, we're about to get a major update with Samsung's Bixby now being completely powered by AI. This huge AI-powered Bixby update along with the core level AI implementation is expected to happen with the future One UI 7.0 update, the software that will come right out of the box with the S25 series. And last but not the least, Samsung is cooking the next Ultra version of their Galaxy Tab, which is going to be the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. Yes, you're looking at the exclusive first look at the Tab S10 Ultra's design, and once again, it is very similar to how the Galaxy S9 Ultra Tab looks, which is a great thing because it's still massive with a huge display. What really matters when it comes to S10 Ultra is what's on the inside, and for the inside, Samsung is set to utilize the latest Qualcomm chip, perhaps even surprising us with the possible use of Snapdragon X Plus chip. Seeing just how powerful the latest iPad is with their M4 Pro chip, Samsung could finally bring that level of power to their Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. If Samsung somehow manages to pull this off, I think it's going to be a huge surprise for Galaxy Tab fans. So there we go, that's all of this news. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe if you're new here. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.